Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies and self-sustainability with a product that's perfect for anyone looking to harness the power of medicinal herbs right from their own garden. I'm talking about the harvesting and preserving medicinal herbs from your garden kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to grow, harvest, and preserve your own medicinal herbs, right in the comfort of your backyard. Whether you're a seasoned herbalist or just starting out, this kit is designed to make the process simple and rewarding. Let's take a look at what's inside. First up, we have a variety of high-quality herb seeds carefully selected for their medicinal properties. From calming chamomile to immune-boosting echinacea, you'll have a diverse range of herbs at your fingertips. Next, we have all the essential tools for tending to your herbal garden. This includes durable gardening gloves, a handy trowel for planting, and pruning shears for harvesting your herbs at the peak of their potency. But the kit doesn't stop there. We've also included guidebooks for preserving your herbs so you can enjoy their benefits all year round. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to get started with this kit. Planting your seeds is as simple as following the step-by-step instructions included in the kit. Just fill your pots with soil, plant your seeds, and water them regularly. Before you know it, you'll have a thriving herbal garden right outside your door. When it comes time to harvest your herbs, our kit makes it a breeze. Simply use the included pruning shears to snip off the desired amount of herbs, being careful not to damage the plant. Then, it's on to the preservation process. Whether you're drying herbs for teas, infusing oils, or making tinctures, our kit has everything you need to preserve your herbs and maintain their potency for months to come. Plus, by labeling system, you'll always know exactly what's in each jar. And the best part? You get to enjoy the fruits of your labor with delicious, homemade herbal remedies. There's nothing quite like sipping on a cup of freshly brewed herbal tea knowing that you grew and preserved the herbs yourself. So, if you're ready to take your love of gardening to the next level and harness the power of medicinal herbs, be sure to check out the harvesting and preserving medicinal herbs from your garden kit. Your body and soul will thank you.